There we go. I can fix the bracket there. So, 2009 Country Coach Intrigue favorite floor plan Jubilee. My favorite one of these is with the patio awnings on the roof. This one doesn't have it, but still excellent coach. Super sweet coach. 2009. Lots of cool accents and the staining and whatnot across the tops of the window boxes. But we're here doing a rear TV. And so we've made a new bucket in this one. So the cabinet shop has actually made this whole piece, restained it here with this antiquing or some special finish, created these little corners. Now we always leave a gap on the bottom so you can actually hear the TV. I had to cut out these corners right here and here to actually make this little tiny piece not hit. So we got the harness over here for all the low voltage, and then we've got a separate wiring harness here for your high voltage. You shouldn't actually zip tie those all the way together. You should have source separation, we call it. So let's get this TV slapped up in here. Then we'll take on a tour of the front, show you that TV, show you some custom cabinetry that's actually been done in here. Pretty cool deal. All right, let's get this thing in. Too far away. All right, TV's in. Got a silicone in, some screw cap covers right here. Here, I've got those down below. Everything's all done. I'll get the TV set up. We did do the Peck Wave Extreme, not their top line, but the second to the top line Peck Wave on there, for being able to do multiple providers on cell service and log in, and be able to do Voom connections and uploads and downloads, and it scans multiple sources. We're gonna button that all up here in this cabinet. So at one point I'll actually tie all the TVs in this coach. I did a new bay TV in the bay, a 40-inch compared to factory 32. And then in this bedroom was a the bedroom was a 26, and now it's a 32-inch there. And then here in the front, in a bit after these guys get the cabinets all done up here in the front, we'll get you a show up here of the front TV and the custom overhead cabinet. So let me get these screw caps on here and we'll proceed on to the next part. Not to mock him, but he almost looks scared, boy. All right, so we're in between jobs on the Intrigue back there. Had a customer call. Adam, great guy. Hell of a discussion we had on the phone. Cool character. Him and his wife Tara just bought this 2006 Country Coach Intrigue. It didn't even make it on the listing. We're gonna put a new dash radio in it. We're gonna leave a little custom. And I've noticed that I am out of my burl wood panel that I use. So I've just went upstairs and I've got my sample sheet here from Decorative Plastics Sheets. And we're gonna go into this coach and we're gonna take a look at what we got. And that way we can order the right stuff. Not close burl wood, because it'd be amazing to let you know how many different burl woods there are. So let's climb in here, fire up maybe a map light, boom, there we go. So there's that burl wood. Let's go through the color swatch. If I remember right, that's a California walnut. Yeah, so there's a California walnut. That's what we're gonna get ordered up for him. Now the cool thing is, I'll run you through the swatch. These are all the different ones you got. So you got some grays, a Burlwood of gray, some of that Prevost Marathon stuff, some stuff with a little glitter, some pop in it, darker walnuts, kind of a light color even, kind of a cherry wood. Hopefully you'd see those all the time as I was cruising through there. Some ABS Simulate, some white carbon fiber Simulate, some white carbon fiber, some mattes, some chromes. But yeah, these are all available from Decorative Plastic Sheets. And so I'm gonna go place an order and get those ordered up. All right, the order is placed for the decorative sheet plastic or decorative plastic sheeting or whatever it be. Anyway, that's on its way. Hopefully shouldn't take too long to get here. Let's go into this 2009. I think they've got the overhead done. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick tour of a few things that we had done. Upgrades on this bad ride. The gentleman that owns this, again, another subscriber, and he was like, hey, yeah, man, I'd love it if you shot a video. So, hey, I'm here for y'all. You get something from us, you keep in contact with me, shoot me an email, whatever it be, and we're almost done here. All right, so they didn't get it all quite done today, and I really just wanted to put a video together for something for you guys to be able to watch. So this coach here does have the pop-up TV. We actually lowered the TV down and made this gap so that way we could do the larger overheads. It's got a little cabinet here on the side, the little accents, same thing here. Now, of course, we've come along, put brand new carpet down here on the bottom, and then we've done those false backs to cover all those wires. Came in, did all the stain to match. As you can see, these cabinet doors all match these cabinet doors. These are the original ones that were here, and these are new ones, so they'll kind of darken with time. Got the HDMI cable and the brand new TV from there all the way around to here, across this front overhead. Still got this to kind of wrap up the last part of it. I think we're going to do a new Blu-ray in here and get this all dialed in a little bit better. And then got that PECWave router. I need to still mount that down. And then we got the PECWave repeater here also. I'll put a link below to mobile, RV Mobile or something like that. I don't remember off the top of my head. But I'll put a link to their YouTube video if you wanted to learn more about that PECWave stuff. And check that out. But yeah, no, Coach is coming together real nicely. Beautiful unit. So, hey everybody. Thanks again. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks everybody subscribing and everybody throwing down those comments and hitting the like buttons. Yeah, I got my GoPed running, so I got another shop tool. I don't always have to drive that golf cart around. Now I can rip it on the GoPed. Fuel tank's still leaking. Got some fresh hoses coming. That thing is from back in 1995. It's actually a snap-on edition GoPed. So you'll see more of that throughout some videos. Let me know if you want me to do a video and stuff on it. Till next time, bye-bye.